Hello students, today we will read about active versus passive voice. What is an active voice? When the subject of the sentence performs the action, that is called active voice. For example, Jojo parked on the bus. In this example, Jojo is the subject, parked is the verb, and on the bus is here prepositional phrase, and the bus is the direct object here. Here, Jojo is performing an action. So there are two special forms for verbs called voice: active voice and passive voice. Passive voice makes sense when the agent performing the action is obvious, unimportant, or unknown. The passive voice is effective in such circumstances because it highlights the action and what is acted upon rather than the agent performing the action. To create a passive sentence, you must know that who is the person or who is the agent or the doer of the action. Number two, who is the object of the action? That means who is receiving the action, who is the receiver of the action. For example, somebody flipped a coin to decide who would go first. In this sentence, the agent or the person doing the flip. What did he flip? He flipped a coin. So here, a coin is the object, a coin is the receiver of the action. So, in this sentence, he is unimportant. In passive voice, a coin was flipped to decide who would go first. So, in this sentence, the focus is more on the coin flip rather than the doer of the action. Let's look at another example. John was shaking his little brother Jimmy. In this sentence, John is the doer of the action. And who is the receiver? Receiver is his little brother Jimmy. While converting this sentence into passive voice, Jimmy, that means the object will become the subject. Jimmy was being shaken by John. So here the focus is on Victor. So the sentence structure of the passive voice is passive subject plus to be, that means form of verb be, plus past participle, that is your third form of verb. It is often used in business and in other areas where the object of the action is more important than those who perform the action. For example, we have produced over 20 different models in the past 2 years. So this active sentence changes to over 20 different models have been produced in the past 2 years. The object of the active verb becomes the subject of the passive verb. As we can see in the example, cats eat fish. In this sentence, cats is the subject, eat is the verb, and fish is the object here. While converting active voice into passive voice, the position of subject and object interchanges. Object becomes the subject and the subject takes the place of object. So the answer is fish are eaten by cats. If the agent, that means the performer of the action, the doer of the action is important, then use by, the word by. For example, Tim Wilson wrote The Flight to Brunswick in 1987. So it changes into The Flight to Brunswick was written in 1987 by Tim Wilson. Personal pronouns change their forms in the passive voice with an exception of you, which remains unchanged. I becomes me, we becomes us, you remains same you, he becomes him, she becomes her, it remains the same, and they becomes them. When the verb is in simple present tense, we use some auxiliary verbs like is, am, or are. When it is in simple past tense, the auxiliary verbs was or were are used. For example, he was given a welcome. In this sentence, he is the subject, was is a form of the verb to be, given is the past participle form of verb. Let's look at some more examples. She makes a cake on Sundays. A cake is made by her on Sundays. The secretary writes the letters. Letters are written by the secretary. We learn new words every day. New words are learned by us every day. The dog eats bone. Bone is eaten by the dog. Girls don't play football. Football is not played by the girls. He doesn't sell fruit. Fruit is not sold by him. So these are the examples of simple present tense. Now, there are some examples of past tense. He saw Lisa in Antalya last year. Lisa was seen in Antalya last year. They wrote paragraphs yesterday. Paragraphs were written by them yesterday. The teacher didn't answer the question. The question was not answered by the teacher. We didn't decide the place for the party. The place for the party was not decided by us. She prepared this report. This report was prepared by her. Thank you.